Gym owners, are you tired of spending endless hours gathering client information in person? Today, I will show you an online form that you can customize to gather client information and fitness goals from your future clients to radically save you time. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more useful content, and let's get started. Alright, so let's start by heading over to the Formula dashboard and click on Templates. Today, let's use this one. Great! Now we can see the editor page and the menu on the left where we can drag and drop to add different fields and options to your form. You can also remove fields and rearrange the order of your fields by simply using the drag and drop. Awesome! Now let's go to the Design tab. Here you can change the look of your form by, for example, changing the colors of the form, change the font. You can also change the background image and even customize the text on the buttons and messages. Now let's scroll to the top, and here, as you can see, this is a multi-step form. All your questions will be displayed on multiple pages like this. On a single-step form, all the questions are shown on a single page. Let's go back to the editor page and scroll down the form, and as you can see, we have a matrix field. And here you can customize the group's messages, as well as the options inside each group. And here we have a score field, where you can customize the minimum and maximum score message. You can also use a section field and add a message inside the description, as well as add links and images if you wish to. And finally, let's head over to the Notification tab. Here you can enable this option to get a notification every time someone submits your form. And here, you can add another email for your team to forward the same notification to. And there you have it! Now you can create your own personal training consultation form and customize it to your liking. This template is great for personal trainers, gym owners, fitness professionals who wish to collect contact information and fitness objectives from prospective personal training clients, which allows them to spend less time in person by gathering information through an online personal training consultation form. You can sign up at Formula for free, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share with your friends. Happy formulating!